In this video, I want to teach you how to sew a puffer with lining. This video is very complete and accurate and you can use it. In the first step of sewing the puffer, we need to change the foot pressure to the plastic foot pressure and then connect both the shoulders to each other. In the next step, notch the middle of the collar and attach it to the back of the collar and connect the collar to the main part. After connecting the collar to the main part, you need to connect the zipper to the puffer. Come up as much as you left an extra seam at the bottom of the puffer to go inside and make a notch and start sewing the zipper from there. After that, sew the zipper according to the video method. Put the left side of the puffer to the right and make a notch from where the zipper starts and ends. Then sew the zipper from the bottom of the puffer. Then close the zipper and check to make sure the measurements are correct. In the next step, you need to prepare the lining. In the hem stage, attach the back of the collar along with the brand logo to the back lining. And then connect the front hem to the front lining and then connect the seams of the back and front shoulders to each other. When the lining is finished, be sure to iron it and smooth the seams. In the next step, connect the lining collar to the main collar. And then attach the liner sleeve loop to the main sleeve loop according to the video method. When you have attached the sleeve loops, turn the front part of the puffer like the method in the video. In the next step, you need to connect the side seam of the lining and the main part. First, put the bottom of the sleeve together like in the video and connect the side seams of the lining to the lining and then main part to the main part. When you sew the side seam, you should leave the seam on one side of the lining open for 10 centimeters so that later you can turn the puffer through this open seam. After that, connect the bottom seam of the puffer to the lining. And then, as you can see in the video, take the extra bottom part up on the zipper and put it. And connect the middle seam of the front to the hem and sew to the end of the collar. Now you need to turn the puffer through the seam you left open. And after that you can sew on the zipper like in the video so that the fabric doesn't get stuck between the zipper. And in the next step, close the seam that you left open. In the last step, you have to iron the puffer. You can iron according to the video method. And now your very cute puffer is ready to wear. Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching the video until the end, and please support me by subscribing, like and sharing. Thank you everybody.